Welcome guys, my name is Ricky and this is another iRefix. Today's video will feature the 74 Chevy Vega Pro Stock, manufactured by Mattel. These were manufactured in Thailand and they have metal body, metal base, and they all came with the plastic interior with the roll cage. They were built in 2010. This particular one was built in 2010, and two other models were built. The blue one in 2012, and the green one was built in 2013. As you can see, the white paint has chipped from the red, so it has that pale red and white color. And the wheels are in good shape. I like the wheels here, the large one at the back and the small one at the front. But as you can see, there's a lot of dirt inside, and just need a little TLC. I'm gonna do a custom on this one, so I'm just using my drill to take it apart. I'm using a 4mm drill in my vise here, and I just remove the rivet and use a screwdriver to pop it open. As you can see, the base is in good condition, not much oxidation, and there you can see the interior, the black plastic interior with the roll cage and the air intake. The air intake has the rivet which holds the base together, so you don't want to lose that part. And the windshield here is fairly good, no cracks, just need some cleaning. This piece, I don't want to lose it, so I just have to put it up carefully. I think I'm gonna change the color on this one and the air intake. I'm probably the same color I'm using on the side. I might use it with the air intake. So as you can see now, I'm just drilling out the posts to accommodate 2-millimeter screw for refitting. And I have to drill this post on the air intake to hold the base together, because this part, as I said before, has the post which holds the base and the body together. And just use a little oil for tapping, just to cut the thread in the holes to accommodate the screws. And I use my aerosol spray can with my quick strip paint stripper to remove the paint. And I've been having success with this aerosol can. I probably will get another one. As you can see, the paint is just sliding off the metal. So this is how the body looks after the paint has been removed. You can see there's no major issues with the body. It is in very good condition. Here I'm just trying to figure out what color I'm gonna paint this car in. I don't want to use the same red and white. I'm gonna use white, but I'm not sure I'm gonna use red. I might use blue or green. So I use my Testers primer, gray primer and prime, and allow it to dry. Then now I'm using white acrylic paint to give it the base coat. I ended up giving the car about 3 coats of white, which turns out pretty good. I decided to use green on the intake, so I'm going to use green around the base of the car. Just to give it a different look, change the look from the red and white. I'm going to use green. So after the white was dried, it looks really good. I have no issue with this white paint. So now I'm just gonna, these are the areas I'm gonna use the green paint on. So I just use some masking tape and tape it off and get ready for the green paint. You want to make sure that the tape is well sealed to the car, so there would be no bleeding, or the green paint won't run into below the tape. I've had this problem before where the tape wasn't properly sealed to the car, and the other paint that I was using actually bled onto the base coat, and naturally I have to do the car all over again. So I want to avoid going over this car again, so I'm just making sure the tape was sealed properly to the car. So finish painting with the green and allow it to dry for a little. Don't want it to dry fully. When you're removing the tape, if the paint is too dry, then it might peel the tape from peel the paint from the car, and again you'll have to start over. So I'm just using a flat black to do this part at the back here, the chute, which normally is fitted on cars that are built for drag racing. While that has been dried, I can turn my attention to the base, which is, as I said before, in fairly good condition. I'm just using my wire wheel to go over it. make sure there's no oxidation, just to polish it up a little bit. And then I use some metal polish and polish the windshield with a cotton bud. So I bought these decals online. I will leave a link below. You can get these decals to buy. I decided to change the decals from the original because I'm doing a custom, so I didn't want to use the same decals that were present before, that were on the car before. So I'm just using something different. Same idea in a way. Get some decals on the car, which is normal for drag racing cars. Most dragsters have a lot of decals. Most sponsors. So I'm just using my tweezer here to get these decals correctly. First, you want to make sure that the paint immerse the decals in some water to remove the back from the actual decal itself. So I'm just going to show you a few of these, probably 2 or 3, how I got them on the car. And just to dry the moisture from behind the decal so it sets properly. Now I'm just adding the last one. I had quite a few off camera because it's kind of hard to work with the camera, but I just want to show you this last one. Now I'm just filling in some details, the headlamp and the brake lights. Just using some testers red to do the tail lights or the brake lights. So it was quite an interesting custom job. As you can see, the paint on this car was quite chipped, was gone. The original car didn't have that much red on the car, but by playing with the car, the white was chipped and most of the red was showing. So I just decided to change the white to green, the red to green. So there you can see a custom 74 Chevy Vega Pro stock. I hope you like it. You can share and please remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.